People, thank you so much for clicking on this beautiful thumbnail. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. For those who are coming back to watch my videos, I appreciate and thank you so much. To make this lovely beaded holder, you're going to need a thread, a needle, and beads of different colors. And also you'll have somewhere you can tie the thread, like you've seen mine is running from one end to another. So you will need to have your beads on a surface or maybe in a plate. This is how it's going to look like when you've started beading. Like I'm doing, you'll have to count from that point. You're going to count 6 dark blue beads and 2 white. You pass the beads under the thread, then you pass the needle going the other direction. On the next line, the number of blue beads are going to reduce to 4 and white will increase 4. And then the next one, 3 blue and 5 white. Blue will be reducing and white increasing until you finish the pattern. I'm done with the blue color. Now I'm starting on a new color, which is black. Put 1 black and 7 whites. From this part, it's going to be different because we're having 3 colors here. We'll have to introduce the white line, so it will be 1 color. For example, here is blue, 1 white, and 6 green beads. I'm almost done with this one, and if you have a good speed, you can make many within a day. So let me show you how I'll do the finishing after cutting out the thread. I'm going to make knots on these ends, on this side and also the other side. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you would like to order for these holders, please you can send a WhatsApp message on this number to place your order. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new, if you haven't subscribed, please. Bye and see you next time.